Hey guys, this is my boxing of fun. Today I'm going to disassemble this Blackberry Curvy 2020, and I'm not gonna take the housing off and stuff. I'm gonna take the whole thing apart. Okay, and if you're gonna put it back together, then you'll just have to rewind this video step by step and put it back together. So for this video, you will need a torque screwdriver, something that looks like an Allen key. I'm not sure if that's gonna focus on there. Okay, and you also need a bigger torque screwdriver. If you search this on eBay or other sites, you will see they come into two pairs, and they come with this as well, something called pick for your phone, so you can disassemble it properly without getting any damages. It's a proper thing to disassemble with. So the first thing you want to do is you open the back, just like so. Okay, take the battery out. Take the SIM card out. And just take the two screws that are allocated here and here. So you take these two screws out. For this one. Okay, this one, here. Okay, now you take this screen off. It's like a sticker. If you don't usually take your screen off, then it will be quite hard, so you have to use this, obviously. And then you just take the casing off the side, like this. I mean, you just take this off first. Okay. This bottom bit, so I just took off. Then you just take this bit out. Okay. And the casing is off. As you can see how many parts I took off, so yeah. Take out that, simple as. Okay, the casing on, you can put the new housing on if you want to now. Now what you do next is you take these screws out here. Okay. This, and this, and this. So, you just use the small screwdriver for these two at the bottom. Oh wait, I think it's not the small one, is it? Oh no, sorry guys, it's not the small one, it's the big one actually you have to use. So use a big one to take them apart. Bear with me. Okay. And then you take these two parts here. Okay, and then you just hit this up. That. I think use the small one now next, I'm not sure. Is it? No, you still use the big one. Right. Okay. Sorry for the wait guys, it's not a problem. You can fast forward this video if you want to. You can't actually fast forward it, it's YouTube. So I'm doing this standing, so that's why I'm taking really long, and my back is really aching, so I have to do this really quick for the sake of you guys. This is a proper video actually. That's what I told you. I'm going to do it. The time taken, you have to do it. So you should be doing this under 10 minutes, basically. Okay, sorry guys. Just screw this with this hand, and then take this out. Okay, and then you just remove this flap here for your screen, and then you automatically get this. And you just have to gently. This is the tricky bit. This is very, very tricky. Okay, be careful you don't break the rubber thing on the side. You just have to take the two clips. Yeah, so you just take this bottom first. And you take these two clips at the bottom here, out. So let's just do that. Okay, to find the clips, you just do this. You pull it up. Okay, one clip here, one clip there. Pull it up like that, and the screw just randomly just comes off like that. Put it aside. This faceplate should be coming off. Is this right? Yeah, it should come off. And this should just come off like that. I'm right. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. So what you have to do now is you just have to like gently, so you don't want to wreck your housing. Gently, just push that there, like that. Push. Okay, ow. Oh, my hand's actually home. Okay. And then just comes off like that.